Hello and welcome to my channel, En Casa de Araceli. Today, be preparing green enchiladas. The ingredients needed are cooked shredded chicken, 20 corn tortillas, mozzarella cheese, oil, salt, and salsa verde that we've prepared with 10 tomatillos, 10 jalapeno peppers, cilantro, garlic, and salt. Let's start by preparing the green salsa. In a pot with water, add your tomatillos and jalapeno peppers and put them to a boil. Once boiled, transfer the tomatillos and the jalapeno peppers into the blender with cilantro, garlic, and salt to puree. And there you have your green salsa. Pour oil into the pan. Once it's hot enough, slightly fry the tortillas. This process is just to soften the tortillas. Next, add the shredded chicken to the tortilla and roll them into taquitos and place them into your baking pan. Pour the green salsa onto your taquitos and spread the green salsa evenly. Now sprinkle your mozzarella cheese, then bake for 15 minutes at 350 degrees. I've served my green enchiladas with rice and lettuce tomato salad and avocado salsa. I hope you enjoy them. Thanks for the support and attention, especially to all my subscribers. Till next time.